Oh, yeah, yeah. It's obviously, I mean, it gets congested. I think we try to not look too many permutations, and it's sometimes energy sapping to just think of all the mathematical equations about it. So yeah, we really had a good week, and we were focused on Ospreys, and I think it sounds like a cliche, but it truly is just taking it every game at a time and not looking too far forward. So we had a huge just review of Perpignan, and obviously big focus on this week. Really trying to, because it's a crucial game. Every game is crucial every week, but yeah, it's an important game for us this week.
Yeah, and Ospreys themselves, what of their game is going to be your biggest challenge?
Look, I think the weather, them understanding the weather and playing at home for them, that's a big. I think obviously they understand the conditions better. We've trained well this week. It is way colder. I mean, it was 5 degrees about when we trained now. It was wet, windy. So yeah, and obviously we haven't been to the pitch. We haven't played there before. So yeah, I think conditions is obviously more difficult and different. But yeah, the quality side, and there's I think a mindset in Welsh rugby that there's a lot of uncertainty from their side, and I think everybody wants to fight and put their best foot forward and perform at their best level. So yeah, I think they will be a absolute hungry side to make a statement.
Yeah, and finally, is you from a player's perspective? I mean, you guys have been out in Europe. You've had a bit of experience now, and you've been together for a couple of weeks. Is the team getting together tighter as a unit? Would that be, and how important is, given the weather conditions, how important is it being accurate, the need for being accurate?
Yeah, I think if you look at last week's game, you can see how important it is to be accurate, especially rugby perspective. But yeah, touring is also, it's always fun for the group, and it's good to get tighter as a group and collective. So yeah, definitely an aspect where we get tighter, especially on tour.
Have you been to the actual stadium yet?
Yeah, we're going for captain's practice to the stadium. It's we actually based in Cardiff at the moment, and the stadium, I think it's about 30 minutes drive. So we're not allowed on the pitch to train there. So in our prep, like yesterday and today. So yeah, we'll be going there on captain's and having our captain's practice there. It is a bit of a drive outside Cardiff. So yeah, we haven't been obviously we've seen games that they've played there, but they haven't been to the pitch itself.
It's a very old school field. The Brewery field has got a long history. But I mean, it's literally old school field. I mean, it's got 12,000 spectators, of which the bulk are all standing still.
Yes.
Talk to us about that experience. I mean, you would have played in front of games like that in stadiums. I don't know, Essie, I mean, coming from Ellis Park, going to a field which is literally a club field. So both Wessel and then Essie about the environment playing in such a small stadium.
Yeah, look, when I played here, I mean, I toured many years ago as a player and to Cardiff and Wales and obviously playing in France as well when I finished my career. So it is a different experience. The crowd are usually very much behind their home side and aggressive towards the opposition. So yeah, it's I think that's part of the good thing about rugby, and it's a great experience to feel that. And I mean, sometimes it even helps you to focus better and because the crowd gets quite volatile and loud. So yeah, it's but like I say, I haven't been there, but it feels like a bit of a club rugby game. So we're going to have to, obviously there's not much protection from the wind like big stadiums. So it will definitely have an impact on the game.
Yeah, from my side, it's definitely not a bad thing if you play on a stadium or pitch like that. If you compare it to Ellis Park, there is quite a big difference, but that's not what it's all about. So for me, it's just another opportunity to play rugby. It doesn't matter where it is.